Simon, a poor woodcutter, used to cut trees in woods. One day, he was cutting wood on the bank of a river. Just then, his axe fell into the river. No matter how much he tried, he could not get a hold of the axe. He sat on the bank of the river, weeping. Mercury, the goddess of water, appeared. She asked the reason of his weeping. Simon narrated the entire incident, still in tears. Then Mercury dived into the water, trying to console him. She instantly brought him a golden axe. Simon refused to take it as it did not belong to him. Mercury dived into the water and brought a silver axe. Simon did not take it either. Then she brought an iron axe, which indeed belonged to Simon. He recognized it at once and immediately accepted it. Mercury was very pleased at his honesty and rewarded Simon with the other golden and silver axes. There is no doubt that honesty is